thought Scratch was 2D, think again, because I'm going to show you a cool but simple way to create a 3D effect. So let's go. Go to the link in the description, and then go to the Scratch coding assets. And then download the 3D effect. The screen will go white for a second, but don't close it because then it won't download. I'm just going to create a new project and then upload the file I downloaded. It comes with all of the code to make it render. But as you see, it doesn't look 3D, so let's change that. First thing you want to do is go to XY block. Put that underneath the hide block in the custom block. Get another one and put it underneath the one green flag clicked. Oops, let me do that again. Okay, so we come down here. And then we get a change Y by, put that underneath create clone, set that to -1. And if we click it, you see it has the 3D effect. To make it look more realistic, we need to go to looks. Then get a change color effect by, put that on top of create a clone. Change that to brightness and set it to -1. Here, see, it looks a little more realistic. I'm just gonna adjust this really quick. Now to make it to where we can turn it, I'm gonna move these down here. And then get a forever block. A turn right block. It doesn't matter which one you get, left or right. And get both of them. Get a key space pressed. Set one to right arrow, set one to left arrow. Get a minus, left arrow in the right spot and right arrow in the left. Get a times, put the minus thing in the left side of the times. Put that in the turn right degrees. And the turn left degrees. And then let's just move it down here into the one I started as clone. Okay, and then delete the second one actually. As you see, we can use our arrow keys to turn it. Now if it's too slow or fast, let's make it to where we can change it to how we want it. Just gonna clean this up really quick. I'm going to create a new variable and call it rotation speed. And then I'm going to set the rotation speed to 3, but it can be whatever you want. Delete the 3 in the times, put the rotation speed in there. Double click this and then double click it again. Now it's a slider. Change the range Set the first one to 1, the second one to 12. Now if we change it to 1, now it's slower, and if we change it to 12, now it's fast. Just gonna change it, I'm gonna set it to 10 because 12 is a little too fast. I'm gonna add some more costumes. I'm gonna add some bread. Alright, I shared the project. You can go look at it on my Scratch profile, which is also linked in the description. You can see all the other projects I've made, like the iconic memes from my last video that you can go watch. I'm gonna change the new 3D effect to a featured project. And make sure to go follow me on Scratch so you never miss whenever I publish a project. And make sure to join my Discord server to get news about everything.